Hello, this is a pillow pouch we made manually to hold 1 kilograms of detergent powder, washing powder. And with the package, the total volume is 1012 grams. So the net weight is 1 kilogram. And you can see the field level is here, about 60% of the total package, and enough space on top. And this would be the package effect. This would be the package effect. Yeah, and the product is laid flat in the package. So allow me to show you the dimension for this package. The width, 250 millimeter. The height, 275. Yeah, 275. Yeah. A good package for 1 kilogram of powder detergent.